Dear student, now discuss about lesson number 3 in geography, the component of agriculture. The main component of agriculture is soil is one of the most important natural resource. So types of soil. Types of soil. Uh, the definition of the soil is uppermost layer of the land surface usually composed of the minerals, organic matter, living organism, air and water. Then the types of soil, the divide in the soil in 1953, the Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR. So types of the soil, how many percentages soil found in throughout India? Saline soil and alkaline soil 1.29%, the petty of and massy soil 2.17%, laterite soil 2.62%, arid and desert soil 6.13%, forest and mountain soil 7.94%, alluvial soil 22.16%, red soil 28%, black soil 29.69%. So the types of soil, alluvial soil, they classified in the two, Ghadar and Bangar. The soil found in region Ganga and Brahmaputra valley. The crops growing in this soil, rice, wheat, sugar cane and oilseed. Black soil, the soil formation from the Deccan Plateau region. The soil is the black color. The Maharashtra and Malwa Plateau region, cotton, millets, tobacco and sugar cane. Red soil formation in the decomposition of Asian time. The eastern part of Deccan Plateau, southern state of Kerala. The suitable crops, wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane and pulses. Laterite soil. This soil formation in this western Ghats region, especially Assam hills, crops, coffee, rubber, cashew nut and daba topica. Then forest and mountain soil. The soil formation in this conifer forest belt of Jammu and Kashmir, coffee, tea, rice, maize, potato, barley. The arid and the desert soil, the soil formation in the prevalence of the dry climate in this region of Rajasthan, North Gujarat and southern Punjab. The crops, millets, barley, cotton, maize and pulses. The saline and alkaline soil, this soil formed due to ill drainage in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. The petty and messy soil, they formed the humidity region of organic matter in the Kottayam and Alappuzha district of Kerala, the coastal area of the Odisha and Tamil Nadu. The cultivation of the crops, paddy, jute. So then the soil formation in India, they indicated the soil regions, mountain soil in the Jammu and Kashmir, alluvial soil in the region of Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna Valley. The eastern coast part in the formation of the alluvial soil. The next red soil, the Deccan Plateau, Jharkhand region. So black soil, the Maharashtra. laterite soil, the western Ghats of India, the arid and desert soil in this region of Rajasthan, that means the third desert region, the saline and alkaline soil in the east coast part of India, then petty and messy soil, the Sundarbans region in India. So, the types of soil discussed and soil degradation, how to the conservation of the management of the soil. So, soil is the most important things of agriculture field. So, the method of conservation management of soil, afforestation, constructing dam and barrage, prevention of the overgrazing, they improve the method of agriculture practice, counter method, the rotation of crops, counter of bonding, and the steep cropping, the planting of shelter belt, adopting the technique of sustainable agriculture at different conservation method for the better soil management. So, dear students, the agriculture, the soil is the important components of the agriculture. So, our country, the fully depend on agriculture. So, the different types of soil found in the region, different types of crops cultivated in our country.